Unraveling the Meanings. Get Shirty. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to unpack a very interesting British English phrase, get shirty. If you're curious about what this phrase means and how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Get shirty is a phrase that originates from British English. The term, shirty, has been used since the early 20th century, and it's believed to come from the idea of someone being in discomfort, like wearing a shirt that's too tight, leading to irritability. Understanding where phrases come from can really help us grasp their meanings, so keep this image in mind. Someone fidgeting because their shirt is too tight. When someone gets shirty, it means they are becoming annoyed or bad-tempered. It's often used in situations where someone might overreact or become angry about something that others might see as minor. It's not about the shirt they're wearing, but rather the attitude they are displaying. To help you understand how to use get shirty, let's look at a few examples. I just asked if he was done with the report, and he got all shirty with me. There's no need to get shirty, it was an honest mistake. Notice how the phrase is used to describe someone's sudden change to a more aggressive or irritable mood. Use get shirty when you're describing someone's reaction that is unexpectedly irritable or slightly aggressive. It's important to note that it's more common in informal contexts and might not be appropriate for formal situations. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, get shirty. Remember, language is not just about words but also the feelings and contexts they convey. So next time you hear someone getting a bit irritable, you might think to yourself, they're getting shirty. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.